Hi everyone, Laura from MHE Services and IT Moon. I've had a few people ask me about the Facebook Messenger for your website. Basically, this at the bottom, so it appears at the bottom. If they've got Facebook on their phone or they've got it on the website, on the actual desktop, they can just basically continue and basically have a discussion with MHE by Facebook Messenger. So then it goes through to your Messenger side of your Facebook post, basically. So I thought, because a few people asked me how to set it up, I thought I'd just quickly do a quick video on showing you basically. So on your actual page, so this is my page that I'm on, if you go onto it and go into settings, on the left hand side, go into messaging, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, you've got this bit here that says add messenger to your website. And it's very simple to do. You'd be able to do it if you knew nothing really about how to do coding or anything like that, or you can just let your website developer do it. But literally all you do is click get started. It talks about adding it to your website. Click next. You can change the greeting message if you want to. So you can click change here and you can change what the original greeting message is. You can change the language as well. And then on the next page, you can change the colour. So I think it's blue by default, but I've changed it to like the orange of our logo. So you can brand it up with your own colours. Once you've done that, you click next and it gives you a load of code. I mean, that might scare you, but don't worry. You can either, on here, you can click, you'll install the code yourself, or you'll email the instructions to your developers. And then if you click email the instructions, it basically tells you this is the email that you want to be sending out. So you type in there who it's going to, click send, and it'll send that to your developers, to whoever your developer is. Or you can install it yourself, which I will show you in a minute how to do. Before you do that, what you want to do here is add the domain name. So add it in two variants. So like here, I've got mheservices.co.uk and I've also got www.mheservices.co.uk. Make sure you put at the beginning either it's HTTP or HTTPS. They should all be the S1 because they should all be secured, your websites. So don't add them to in. You click save on there, get your code, copy it to your clipboard. Then what you want to do next, if you've got access to it, is go into your website. This is on WordPress, so if you've got Wix or anything like that, you might be best emailing your developer because I don't use Wix, so I'm not sure on that one. And what you want to do is usually you'll have like a dashboard similar to this when you logged into WordPress by going into your website /wp-admin and then logging in. Go to appearance at the bottom. Theme editor, or it might just say editor. Depends on what themes you've got installed on your website. And then what that does, it brings up some of the coding for you. And all you need to do, don't touch anything but this, is on the right hand side here, is you want to scroll down to where you see footer. I've scrolled to that. So footer.php, and you click on that and it'll bring up all the code for that when it loads up. So once that's loaded up, ignore everything else, scroll right down to the bottom, and then this is the code I've put in for myself. So as you can see here, that what I've highlighted, that's the code I copied earlier. And all I do there is on yours, you'll have the /body. And above the /body, you want to just basically make a line. So if I deleted this off, for instance, go back to the settings, copy that, go back into my themes, it would have looked like this. So all I'm going to do, just before the body, make another line, copy it in. That's it. And then I click update file. Wait for it just to update the file. It might take a moment, and then it's done and dusted. And then when you come onto your website, if someone logs in, it will pop up at the bottom and basically ask them if they want to talk to you on Messenger, and they can either click cross on it or they can use it on the phone if they want to talk to you. The best thing about it, it just means that you straight away get the message if you're using Facebook. I'm one of these people, I can't be doing loads of apps on my phone, or I don't want to have a live chat up constantly. I don't want to have a chatbot up. Yeah, they're fantastic chatbots, but I just don't want one at the moment in time. Obviously in the future I might change my mind on that. And a lot of my customers use Facebook, so I thought, oh, no, what? I'm going to have Facebook on there instead. It's better than having nothing there. So obviously, if it would be beneficial to maybe have a live chat and someone that's on there and able to talk back and things like that. But that's too much commitment for my company at the moment. So I'm happy with just the Facebook Messenger because I use Facebook Messenger quite a lot. So it's very simple to do. If you can't set it up yourself, send it to your web developer, they'll set it up. Or if you've got your WordPress login, I'll happily log in and just do it for you myself. It literally does like take 2 seconds. And then once you've done that, just click finish on the end and you're done. Right, so I'll leave it at that. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope it helps some of you as well.